Tired of wrestling with N8n installations? Let's streamline your workflow automation by running N8n with Docker in just a few simple steps. First, make sure you have Docker installed and running on your system. If you don't have it yet, head over to Docker's website to download and install the version suitable for your operating system. Next, we'll create a Docker Compose file, which will define how our N8n container should be set up. Open your favorite text editor and create a file named Docker Composable. Now, paste the configuration details into the Compose file, specifying the N8n image, port mappings, and any environment variables you need. This will ensure your N8n instance is properly configured within the container. Once your Docker Composable file is ready, open your terminal, navigate to the directory where you saved the file, and run the command docker compose upd. This command will download the N8n image, create a container, and start N8n in detached mode, running in the background. After the process completes, open your web browser and navigate to localhost followed by the port number you defined in the compose file. You should see the N8n User Interface loading. Congratulations, you now have N8n running smoothly within a Docker container, simplifying deployment and ensuring consistency across different environments. You can now start building your workflows.